Okay, so what you want to do is in Chrome as the browser, very top of the browser, type in go.runsam.com. You're going to get to this page. Put in your email address and password and click on sign in. If you've forgotten your password, just click on forgot password. Oops, that's registered new sign up. Here we go. I forgot my password. Put in your email address and click send password reset. Now, once you do that, once you log in, what you're going to see is an interface that looks something like this. Top left here is My Signs. In this case, this client has one sign number 2495, thumbs up. We can see it's online. So check mark, it's ready to sync. And so here on My Layouts, on the top left is where you're going to be working mostly. When you click on My Layouts, you have to click again here. It says My Layouts. And this account right now is three layouts. Layout 1, 2, 3, and this is the media player. So the media player is currently attached to Matt's layout. So I'm going to click up here. It's when you click in the blue that you get into the layout itself. And so now this layout has two JPEG images. You can see you can sort things just by dragging it around. Any change you make and you want to publish it, click on Publish, and that gets over to the sign. It really is that easy. Now let's talk about new content. I'm going to click on Add Content here. It says Content Type, Upload an Image. Choose Files. That's how you can browse your computer. And let's say if I had another JPEG image I want to put on there, I'd browse my computer, try to find the JPEG image. So there's a JPEG image right there. Click on Open, and you can see there's the file selected. So click on Save. And what's happening when you save is, of course, it's uploading it from your computer into SAM, into this layout. And so there's that new JPEG. I might put it in first place, for example, by dragging it. Click on Publish, and that's it. Now, all of the media players that are attached to that layout will now be reflecting that new content. So what's so cool about this is that imagine you have a rollout where you have a lot of media players. Well, all of the media players that are on that layout would all synchronize the same. So that means you upload, you say that one image, and you could be displaying across thousands of locations. So that's the basic training. To recap, how to log in, how to go to layouts, how to click on the layout that's attached, or your sign is attached to, and how to start to upload content. Thanks for your time.